Jamie, and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are you making, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Backwoods Margarita.
Cool.
So this is really
complicated. It looks complicated.
Yes. This is a really simple recipe. It's basically 3 ingredients. So if you're out camping, if you're at the beach, at the lake, if you've gone to Craven, you're going to be able to find these 3 things. Basically tequila. Tequila.
Probably about an ounce.
Yep. And then the lime WHITECLAW. Oh yeah, don't forget to put in some lime too.
I'm going to put in some lime juice.
Yeah.
So you probably got one of these. Do a little squirt of lime.
Yeah.
And if you're camping.
Oh yeah, these are little handy little packets. They're dehydrated lime. So if you're camping, canoeing, or whatever, you don't have to completely rough it. You can take these along with you. We bought these online. I think it was on Amazon.
You can get them at the grocery store though as well.
All the airlines serve these when you're having a gin and tonic or whatever. So look for those. Now, we're gonna
lime WHITECLAW.
Lime WHITECLAW. Because we're just that fancy.
Well, you got it.
We're backwoods. So
I mean, multi.
Yes.
Give it a little stir.
And this would be in a tin cup probably if I was sitting around the fire.
You might have these with you.
Maybe. All right. The Backwoods Margarita. Let's give her a shot.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Man, if you had put in a full day of
a 3-ingredient margarita,
that's not bad.
That's pretty good.
Cheers, everyone. Get a shot.
Ready to go. Cheers.